Hi.
Sorry.
Okay.
Free sample
All right. Thank you.
for face.
Thank
Yes.
you.
You use skincare?
No, I don't.
Okay, so take another one, but please use it, okay?
Okay.
Yes, where are you from?
I'm from China.
China.
And you?
Wow.
Where are you from?
Ni hao.
I'm impressed.
Yes, ni hao ma.
That sounds very, very natural.
I know, because I have a Chinese friend, so they taught me the accent and some words.
You know, have you ever just met somebody that you felt like you suddenly feel like you've known him forever and ever?
Yes, for sure. Yes, like a lot of,
yeah?
not too many times, but
Yeah?
it's happened to me.
And it's like as if you suddenly look into his eyes and you think, what is he thinking? And you suddenly think, does he like me? And as you suddenly stop
Yeah.
and notice.
This is what's happening right now?
Huh?
This is what's happening right now?
I don't know, you tell me.
Now, I'm from Israel.
Israel?
Yes, sir.
Name.
Wow. Okay. Well, there is energy going over here.
You know, psychic powers
Yes.
is not magic. It's something that every human being possesses.
It's energy.
It's something that every human being possesses. It's like your brain is kind of like a computer, right, with wires in it. The wires are called nerves, right? And so here's a wire from your brain. You make it, and it's simple physics, reading minds. It's
Yes.
like when you have a wire and you run electric current through it, it produces a radio wave. So here's your brain wires, it produces electrical current, makes a radio wave, right? Here's my brain wire, it absorbs radio wave, makes an electrical current, and it'll read your mind. All right?
Yeah.
Since you showed me something cool, you showed me the skincare stuff, I'm going to show you something cool. I'm going to teach you how to read people's minds.
Ooh.
Yeah. Okay.
That's cool.
It's really cool. Here, I'm going to show you. So you got to synchronize people. You have to, before you get a Wi-Fi connection computer, you plug it in, right? Then you type in your passwords and stuff, and then you got the connection, right? So what you do is here, take my hands. We have to synchronize our breathing to synchronize our brainwaves, okay? So take large breaths so that we can synchronize our breathing. 6 breaths together, okay?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
All right. I invite you to look at me while you're taking the breaths.
Okay, that was the 6th one.
All right, there you go. So we have taken 6 breaths together.
Yes.
I've connected my brain to yours, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna. This is really cool. The first time somebody showed it to me was a neuroscientist, a neurosurgeon. This woman who did brain surgeries.
Yeah.
And she showed this to me. I was like, wow, it works. So this is some. All right, I'm gonna tear this brochure up that somebody just handed me, and we're gonna get this pen here. Okay, right now I'm gonna tell you a range of something to write down. Don't show it to me. I'm gonna turn around, and then you write it down. I'm gonna tell you exactly what you wrote down. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn around.
A range of numbers?
Yeah. Between 1 and 10.
1 and 10.
Yes. The first one that comes to your mind.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. It's here. Look in my eyes. 7. Is it 7?
No.
No. What is it? I should have worked.
It was 5.
It was 5?
Yes. This is my lucky number.
Oh yeah?
That's fine. But I believe in it.